everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I curl my hair extensions on a daily basis. If it's anything that I get the most questions on, it's most likely my hair. I always get questions on how I put in my hair extensions and how I curl them. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I do it. Irresistible Me did gift me their hair extensions. I have worn these before. I have done a review try on before with them. So all of these opinions are mine. I would never get another product to review if I didn't like them. But I just wanted to let you all know that this video is not sponsored or paid or anything like that. I just want to let you all know from my heart that I love these extensions and would love you all to try them out yourself. Other than that, if you are interested in seeing how I curl my hair and put in my extensions, make sure that you just keep on watching. Also, if you are not yet part of the family, please remember to go subscribe and put the post notifications on, which is the bell button, so you know whenever I upload. And let's get started. So they just come in a package that looks like this, and in my first review video I didn't read the instructions on this side, which is basically telling you that this is a sample. So if this is your first time, for me it's not, if this is your first time reviewing or trying out these hair extensions, then to try on this sample and make sure you know that you like the feel of them and that the color is correct, because it just makes sense to not like put the whole head of hair on and then figure out that you don't like the color, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's basically what this is telling you on the back side. But because I know that this is my color and I've tried these extensions on before, I'm not going to try that on. This set is the 24 inch, I believe. If that's wrong, I will just put it on the screen for you. But these are the Royal clip-ins. Okay, a girl's gonna need some scissors or something. So the set that I got is called the Royal clip-ins, and these are the 24 inch, I believe. The set originally comes in 10 pieces, which is a lot of pieces. And you honestly don't even need to wear 10 pieces in your hair because they are so thick, and it's 100% human Remy hair. So the prices are going to be a little higher, but honestly I think they are so worth the price. I am usually a person that really tries to save their money, but I would definitely splurge on these hair extensions. They have lasted me over a year now, so that's why I decided to get a new set. But the other set is actually like still wearable. It's just that the ends were getting a little frizzy, so I wanted to get a new set. But anyways, I wanted to talk about the wefts. So this is the 4-clip weft. This one will make the biggest difference in your hair when you wear it. It is so thick. Like, I have never had hair extensions that are as thick as this one. Like, nothing has ever beat this one, and it is just so freaking thick. I don't know if it's like doing any justice on camera, but I promise you, like, when you hold it, there is some weight to this. So I wanted to talk about that because people who wear hair extensions every day, I know it can be really tugging and heavy on your hair. Personally, I think these are pretty heavy on your hair. I honestly wouldn't wear them every day. I usually just wear them for my pictures, but when I'm going out, I usually never ever wear them out just because they are pretty heavy. But they are so beautiful, and they're perfect for if you just want more volume, not even a little bit of volume, a lot of volume, because they give you so much hair. So I just wanted to let you all know that they are selling the 4-clip weft individually, because a lot of people actually prefer this one because of how thick it is. I mean, can you blame them? So yeah, they are selling this one individually if you personally just really like this weft. So they have 4 2 wefts, and then they have 2 3 wefts, and then they have 3 of the 1 wefts. I know I'm only showing 2, but the third one is in the packet, the sample packet, so that's why. So I really wanted to talk about the clips. I feel like the clips are definitely what makes the, oh my goodness, I'm home alone. I was like, what the fuck is that? That's my cat. Anyways, I really wanted to talk about the clips because I feel like this is what actually puts on more weight onto the hair extensions. But I think the clips is what holds all the hair together, you know, so that's why it gets a little heavier around here. So if you're a person that doesn't really like heavy hair extensions, I don't know if these are for you, but Irresistible Me has a lot of different hair extensions that are super lightweight for every day. I'm not sure if I told you all the color that I got, but I got these in natural black because my hair is just natural black. So I'm going to show you all how I put them on. Okay, so what I like to do is just section my hair from the top half from the lower half, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I know some people have some really straight lines on the back of their head, and I'm like, how do you do that? So I'm just gonna tie it into a little bun on top, and then this is what the sections look like. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm pretty sure mine is super crooked. And then I like to take the 4 weft and clip it on the back of my head. You want to be careful and try not to clip the hairs that are up, because if you do that, it will cling onto the hairs, and then when you let them down, it will pop out and it will look so bad. Trust me, I make that mistake almost every time I do my hair extensions, and then I have to like redo it, and it's really annoying. So make sure you don't do that. And now I'm just gonna let down the other half of my head. What I like to do now is I like to take this section of my head, and then also a tip is when you're grabbing hair, you want to grab it from the back like this. So when you put it in the back, this hair covers it, because obviously you don't want your extensions peeking through, because that just looks tacky. And then I'm just going to clip the 3 weft clip into my head like this, and make sure to watch out for those hairs that are clipped up. And then you see how there's no bumps on the side? Looks seamless. And then I'm gonna do that on the same, the same thing on the other side. And then after that, I like to go right above where I went, and then put a 2-piece clip left there, and then repeat that. Oh my gosh, my voice. And then repeat that on this side. And then I'm gonna clip in the 2 clip left in right by my hairline. All right, everyone, so this is the hair. I think it looks so good. It's such a perfect color match. I could not have it match better than how it looks now. I love how natural it looks, even though my hair is really, really short. I think it still blends in really good. Even when it's straight, because you know how some hair extensions just look better when they're curled. So yeah, these are the hair extensions. They look so freaking good. It actually looks so good straight right now, but I'm going to curl them because they just look even better curled. But before I curl them, I just want to give you a little 360 of the hair. So this is what it looks like, and I think I have 8 pieces in my hair. I could be wrong, but yeah, so I just want to, okay, don't judge my pajamas. This is the length of the hair. I am almost 5'2", and this is 24 inches, I believe. Why does this shit look like it's 27? I don't know. So now I'm going to go in and curl my hair. This is my Foxy Bay Rose Gold Marble Curling Wand. I believe this is the 28mm. I could be wrong. I will put it on the screen for you all. And I do have a discount code if you are interested in checking out their products. If you have been watching me for a while or following me on my media, I love and swear by Foxy Bay's products. I love them so much. They just work phenomenal, and they just work so freaking good. So I don't section off my hair when I'm working with extensions, just because I feel like it's a little harder, if that makes sense. So I kind of just work from the bottom extensions up, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to wrap my hair around the wand like this, and then just keep it for like 6 to 8, 10 seconds, depending on how much hair I have. And then the trick into getting really, really curly hair is dropping it in your palm and squeezing it. Just the slightest, and then slowly, slowly let it down. And then voila! Oh my god, girl, look at that. Period. I'm just gonna take my Tresemme hairspray, and I'm just going to spray that. And I'm gonna take one of my metal hairpins and pin it together. This is obviously much easier when it's your real hair, because then you can just pin it onto your head. But because these are extensions, I'm just going to pin it like that. Okay, so there's a lot of hair, so I'm gonna move this to the back. and then focus on these up here. So again, just wrap, 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 and then you're gonna wait for a couple seconds, and then you're gonna put it in your palm. Ooh, it's hot. And then squeeze it a little, and then hairspray, and then curl it back up, and then pin them. Okay, so it just gets really repetitive throughout the video, and then we will go from there.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately.
I ran out of my metal ones, so I was using my black ones. I don't really like my black ones because they're not as sturdy as my metal ones, so I have to order some more of those. But I'm finally done with my hair. Oh, I left this part out, but if you want, you can hairspray your entire head while your pins are still in, but I don't really care because I'm not really going anywhere, so it's not like they really have to stay in. So these are just a couple pieces that I missed, so I'm just gonna curl those a little bit more. I think my dog wants to go out. Hold on. They look so good. I love this technique so much. I just need to get more metal pins, and then my hair will be like bomb AF, because some of them got a little loose with the black pins. Alright everyone, so if you like your curls this tight, I think these are so freaking adorable, but they're a little curly for my liking, so I'm going to just brush through them a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead, ooh, almost got in my eye, and hairspray my hair. And then there you have it. So I really hope you all love the curls as much as I do. Honestly, they turned out so much better than how I originally thought they were going to. I really hope this encourages you all to try out these curls as well. They look so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Before I leave, I just wanted to give a big shout out and thank you to Irresistible Me for gifting me their hair extensions. I love these so much. I swear by them. They are my favorite extensions ever. I definitely recommend you all to try them out yourself. They have a variety of colors and different lengths and all of that on their website. I will be linking everything down in the description box below. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!